Hey guys! So I don't know about you, but sometimes I feel like wrapping gifts takes a really long time. So I'm gonna show you a cute option for gifting that doesn't involve wrapping and it's really fast. It's also a super fun activity that you can do with your friends or your family just to get into that holiday spirit. So for the first step, you want to think of a fun phrase that you're going to write on the bag. And since we're doing a holiday theme, I'm choosing a what fun. So I'm going to outline it first in pencil, just so that I know the placement of all the letters. And you can skip this step if you're confident in your painting skills, but I like to just know where things are going to go before I commit. Once we're done with the letters, then we're gonna move on to adding just a couple little simple trees. They're graphic and fun, so they're not detailed at all. For the first one, it's just a triangle, and then another triangle under that. And you can add another one, however many you want. I'm just doing 2. And the second tree that I'm putting down in the bottom corner is just a triangle. It's a little bit long and skinny. You kind of want to make your trees so that they're filling the empty spaces, so feel free to make them whatever size you want. So then we're just going to stick 2 pom-poms on the top of each tree. You just want to take a little glue or Mod Podge and stick them on. When everything is done and dry, you're going to erase your pencil marks if you did that step. And all you have to do is put your gift in the bag, add a little tissue paper. It's fun when the tissue paper is a bright color, and you're done. So easy. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you learned something and that you tried out yourself. Please subscribe to our channel, American Dream House, and follow us on Instagram because we have so much fun stuff coming out really, really soon.